Brita standard water filter replacements for pitchers and dispensers are designed to provide you with clean and great tasting water. These filters are easy to install and offer a convenient way to improve the quality of your drinking water. In this article, we will take a closer look at the features and benefits of these filters and why they are a great choice for your home. Features of Brita standard water filter replacements. The Brita standard water filter replacements come in a pack of 4 and are designed to last for up to 2 months. They are compatible with all Brita pitchers and dispensers, which makes it easy to switch out old filters for new ones. The filters are also easy to install. Simply insert the filter into the reservoir and let it soak for 15 minutes. Once this is done, you are ready to enjoy clean and great tasting water. The Brita standard water filter replacements are designed to reduce the taste and odor of chlorine, which is a common problem in tap water. The filters are also certified to reduce the amount of copper, mercury, and cadmium in the water. This means that you can enjoy clean and safe water that is free from harmful chemicals and heavy metals.